Benimar Mileo 268, motorhome with 4 sleeping places. It has a total length of 738, a width of 230, and a height of 289 centimeters. The garage is accessible from both sides. The storage compartment flaps measure 84 by 104 centimeters. The seating area is arranged face-to-face and has a foldable dining table. Above the seating area, there is an electrically operated bed for 2 people. The kitchen features a sink and a 3-burner stove with electric ignition and extractor fan. The freshwater tank and the wastewater tank each have a volume of 105 liters. The bathroom consists of a toilet room and a separate shower. At the rear, there are 2 single beds measuring 85 by 196 centimeters.